This is my electric Jeep. It's a 1948 CJ2A. I removed the gasoline engine and I put in a battery pack and net gain Hyper 9 HV electric motor in it. The controller is an SME X144, which is well matched with the motor. And I've got right here the lithium master and slave modules for the battery management system that monitor that battery pack. It's non-CAN communication, so I have wires right here between the BMS and the controller, which are essentially on-off switches. There is no CAN communication, which allows me to remove the battery and put another one in. This particular battery has 6 modules from a Tesla Model S, giving me 30 kilowatt hours of energy storage and providing me, based on yesterday's test, approximately 70 miles of range.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Yeah,
that was way better than 40. Yeah, tell me how the drivetrain works.
So the drivetrain is basically all original. So I did an adapter for the electric motor to connect to the bell housing, and also a hub for the motor to hold the flywheel. And from the flywheel behind, it's all original. So it's the original flywheel clutch, the T90 3-speed transmission, the Dana 18 transfer case. Everything is original from there.
That's cool. You know, show me your special red button and tell me what the red button is.
I'll show you the special button.
This is pretty cool.
So the original motor is a 64 horsepower, but the electric motor I put in is 108 horsepower. And so to preserve the transmission and so on, I control down the electric motor to about 65 horse. But if I'm in a pickle, I can always flip that switch up and go for 108 horsepower and leave a little rubber on the road.
That's awesome. Hey, that's probably my favorite part of the thing. Hey, thanks, Vince.
You're welcome. That's pretty good. You just fire right up.
Good job.
Oh, he's tapping.
Yeah.